Hello and welcome to REGO-FIX Tech Chat. My name is David McHenry. I am the Engineering and Technical Manager here at REGO-FIX USA. Today we're celebrating our 100th video online, and we wanted to do something a little bit special. So we decided to come out to the CME, Center for Machining Excellence, which is located right adjacent to our REGO-FIX facility here in the US, to give you a little pre-tour. We are just now moving in, so we don't quite have everything we want in place, but we're going to give you a sneak peek. I am currently standing in the discovery area of our new facility. This is the area that we will bring people in, we will have social events, and we will have in-depth product training. We have large video screens to allow us to display everything from content videos to exactly what's going on in the other room that we'll show you in just a few moments with the different CNC machines that will be installed. So think of this like a little miniature trade show area and a place to gather and talk about our products and our partner products. So let's walk down the hallway and show you some of the other features of the CME. As we head down the hallway, we have all the common courtesy items that you would have in a facility, from coat racks to the different restrooms, even vendor or partner offices we have available. But what's really important, the people that partner with us have access to a very large boardroom with video conferencing built right into the room itself. And we decided to take a little piece of Switzerland with the way that it looks and borrow some of their architecture for the new CME. As we head around the corner, we get to the main focus area of the new CME, and that is the auditorium. Now, right now, it's empty, but picture 3 to 4 CNC machines going across the front of this auditorium, where we can do different product videos for our products and our partner products, explaining just how to get the most benefit from our different items and our partners. As we head across the front of the auditorium, now we don't have all of our seats in place and we're still working to get the carpeting done, but you guys can see the large auditorium that we have, 72 person, so we can have large groups come in for product training. One thing I forgot to mention just a moment ago is we have a full audio-visual system going in, complete with overhead speakers and microphones, and a very large LED screen soon to be installed. So in the next video, keep an eye out for that screen. It's going to be quite impressive. So as we walk around the corner, we get to an area that we're going to use to focus our partners and the people that have come alongside us during this CME adventure. This large hallway will be used not only to bring CNC machines in, but also to highlight the different partners that we have, with partner kiosk and branding all down this hallway, allowing our partners to get usage out of this area as well. Straight ahead, we have an area for future growth. It's a large warehouse area that we've designed that we can actually grow into as the CME expands and becomes more useful to the industry. Down this hallway, we have our partner offices. Again, we borrowed some flavor from Switzerland with the glass storefront type of office structure, and we have a couple of those available for different people to use. This takes us all the way back around to the entrance to our discovery area. So let's go right back in. I want to take this opportunity to thank you for watching this video and going on a little tour with us. I also want to thank you for watching the 100 videos we've already put out. If you haven't seen those, definitely check out the YouTube channel, check out REGOUSA.com and REGOFIX.com to get access to previous videos. If you have any questions at all, reach out to your REGO-FIX technical team. We are here to help.